Want to enjoy an all-natural healthy dessert? And best of all, cook it super fast in the air fryer? We'll need a sweet plantain. Optionally, you can use a little bit of cooking spray. Portions are up to you. This can serve between 1 and 4 people, depending on how much you want to eat. I'm cutting it into 4 pieces, so it fits in my air fryer. I spray a little oil. This one is avocado, but you can use whichever you prefer. Then I will use the French fries preset for 15 minutes. Now I'll flip them over and cook for 3 more minutes to get an even golden crisp. And this is a pro tip. If you want the plantain to stay extra moist, wrap the pieces in aluminum foil. And this is completely optional, but I'm going to drizzle a bit of condensed milk on top. This one is homemade. I leave the link to the recipe in the description below. See how easy it's to make a delicious healthy dessert. Thank you so much for your likes and subscribing. Sharing this recipe truly makes my day. Thanks for watching until the end.